my channel. So today we're going to be trying out these alcohol markers, and I'm going to be trying them not on paper, but I wanted to try them on a little test piece I did with acrylic carving, because I'm really curious to see if I can use the alcohol markers to do the shading instead of using paint. So let's first unbox these. So I've got two sets. I've got the vintage tones, and I've got, I don't know what these are called, but these are blue and greens, and these are more like browns and pinks. These are from the Action, that's a local cheap store, and these were only €4 each, and they come with the tray. So this is the first one. They have quite a lot. The black ones are the alcohol markers, and these are, I think, the normal markers they've got. They have the two tips, the bigger one and the smaller one. It's called a brush tip and a fine tip. So let's see if I can open this up without messing up my nails. It's always hard to open these boxes. These are both the sets. They look really nice, and as I said, they are stackable. So they've got some holes in the top here and some little paws on there, so you can just stack them. So it's really handy. So let's get these a little bit to the side and think about what color I want to use on this piece to try. So I decided I want to go with clay, and so you've got the small tip, got the brush one. So I'm going to try and use the brush. I also have a little bit of alcohol next to me and a small brush. So I'm just gonna try. And originally I did the shading with blue, but let's just try this. Put a little bit on. And then take a little bit of the alcohol on the brush and see if I can smoosh it. I'm trying to go from dark to light, like so. Let's try another piece. So just got like a little bit of alcohol here. I'm just covering it up so it doesn't dry out that quickly or evaporate. And then I just pull it with the little brush. So let me show you up close. So as you can see, it goes from dark to light, and if I want, I can use some more alcohol and lighten it up even more. But let's do a little time lapse of the rest, and I'll come back to you when it's all done. So here's the final result. I'm really happy with it. It came out looking so much more alive than it was before. It took me, I think, about an hour to finish it completely. It's really easy because the alcohol, even if it dries, you just put more alcohol on it and it just reactivates. So yeah, it gives it a lot more depth, and I'm really happy that these like really cheap markers did an awesome job. Like, you get 12 for €4. That's insane. I only got the two sets, but I'm for sure gonna get more, and I'm gonna try them on maybe some resin pieces or some drawings. I'm not sure, but these are great. They're from the Action, as I said. Love them. €4, 12 pieces. There's no better deal. So yeah, I would love to know what your thoughts are on how this piece now looks in compared to how it looked before. But yeah, this was a great experiment. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!